In this video, I'm going to give you a simple consulting website template that will help you attract more clients. So if you're thinking about building a consulting website for your business, first you want to consider your goals with the website. So if you're like most consultants, your goal would be to generate more leads through your website. And then you also want to consider the goals of your prospective client because you are designing your consulting website for your prospective client, more so than for yourself because they're the ones who are going to be using it. And your prospective clients, when they come to your website, they don't want to learn just about you. They want valuable information to help solve their problems. And a good consulting website accomplishes both of these goals. They provide your prospective clients with valuable information, and in doing so, that provides you with more leads. So every design and every consulting website starts with writing. Even if you hate writing, what I've done here is I put together a copywriting template for you to use to make this process very easy for you. So what you can do with this is fill in the variables for each of these sections, and it provides you with a fill in the blanks type of worksheet so that you don't have to do as much writing. You just need to understand certain things about your business and your prospects, and you can insert those to write your copy because oftentimes good copy is curated just as much as it is actually written. So what you want to do with this is I'll provide a link to it in the description, and you can go to File, make a copy, and then you can edit and use this for yourself. So you want to think about who you serve, what you do for them, and how you do it for them. You want to gather some logos of the clients you've worked with. You want to talk about the benefits and outcomes you can achieve for your client or the problems you solve for them. You always want to insert testimonials and reviews from your clients. You want to talk about the services you can provide as well as a description of what you do for them and, more importantly, the outcome it will create for their business. And at the end, the bottom of your homepage at least, you can talk about yourself, the market you serve, some common objections you face in your industry, the pain that you solve or the problems you solve, again, the desires of your clients and the outcomes you create for them. And then, of course, your website should call your prospect to take action by booking a free consultation with you. And the way you get them to do that is by talking about the benefits and outcomes you can create for their business. So once you have finished writing your website copy, you can move into the design and build phase. And I've actually provided this template for you to download and use for your website. If you go to savoneill.com/newsletter, you put your name and your email right here and click on this button, you will get this consulting website template as well as a course on how to actually use it and bring your prospective clients to it. But since you've done the writing, the design part is very simple because the writing you find here is exactly the same as what you find on the actual consulting website template. What you will need to include is ideally pictures of yourself so that your prospects get to know you on a personal level, logos from your clients that you've worked with, testimonials, and even better if you can include pictures of your clients. pictures that demonstrate what you do with your services. And if you can include some of those elements to start, that'll really help make your website feel more personable, more trustworthy, and more persuasive. So key things to remember with your consulting website is don't aim for perfection, just write your copy, insert your copy, and then launch your site. Launch it before you feel ready, because understand that you will iterate and improve your consulting website as you learn more about your prospects. And remember that your goal with your consulting website is to create conversations with your prospective clients. So that's why we have a strong call to action here. Schedule your free consultation with me today, which takes them to like a booking link or a contact page. The same thing here, big blue button that stands out, draws their attention. And we're repeating that throughout the page, and especially in the footer as well, which would be on every page of your consulting website. And when your website starts to create these conversations with your prospective clients, it becomes a very valuable marketing and sales tool that is essentially doing a lot of that work for you. So it's creating these conversations so you don't have to go out and do it yourself. And all of the copy that I've included is designed to get them interested in your services and on a call with you, because it's so focused on them. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments and I'll respond. Or if you have a consulting website, go ahead and share that.